this morning we are heading down to the lakefront in Milwaukee on our elusive hunt for burbot and brown trout for the Sleeping Beauty in the back seat, because he's working on his master angler for the Wisconsin Interscholastic Fishing Association. So we've been fishing for some species we don't normally fish for. Waiting for some ice because there is no ice right now.
Unless you drive a long ways.
Yeah, unless you're driving too far to go for some ice.
The ice that we normally fish is not there.
Correct. So we're up and early this morning and gonna try once again to catch a brown or a burbot.
When she says once again, we stayed up till almost midnight on the water 2 nights ago, night fishing for burbot with no success.
They caught a steelhead.
Current went in and out and in and out and in and out. We spun around. We tried different spots. Caught a steelhead, some white perch, but no burbot. So.
And we haven't been doing any chainsaw work because Scott's having ACDF surgery in about a week and a half. So.
Numbness and tingling shooting down my right arm. It's a little rough. But so we're trying to squeeze in as much stuff we can that I can handle before the surgery. So hopefully we can get some fish today.
So I have cameras along today so that we can hopefully get some fish.
All right, we'll see you on the water. There you go, Ray's hooked up.
Nice one.
Come on. Ready. There he is.
Targeted species.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if he's long enough, but still cool.
You got your measuring board?
He does.
I'm gonna keep him in the water here.
Okay, I'll go get that board here. I'll leave some slack on
Very
it.
cool. Very nice.
Get the tangle up here. Here we go.
Alright, come back to it. Measure it. Go ahead. I'm gonna lift him up, you're gonna unhook him. I'm gonna try and not beat his head up.
Yep.
How big does he have to be?
I don't remember. 28?
I want to say 26.
26 sounds about right.
He's gonna be cool.
Oh, well. It's a fish.
Hold on. I'm not ready for you.
You need on the hook first.
Relax.
You didn't see where he did, right?
Put him back in the water here. Breathe a little bit. Ready to measure?
I guess.
Alright, here he comes. You gotta grab him out of there. How long are we looking? It's close.
You got no teeth left.
Other way.
When we got
He's got no teeth.
Are they supposed to have teeth?
Oh.
27.
Oh, come on, man.
What is it?
26 and a half.
That's all you need to be, right?
27.
27? Alright.
All right. Hold them up. Nice fish.
26 and a half. Not quite master angler, but
There you
Still a
go.
big fish.
still a nice fish.
It is a nice fish. Go ahead. I think he's ready. Here he goes. Nicely done. Excellent job.
Ray's already hooked up. Getting that out.
He's right there.
What's that?
He's pretty big.
You gotta get him up higher.
I'm reeling. Big enough?
Yeah, it's big enough.
Holy shit, there he goes. Uh-oh. Get out from under there. Get out from under there. Oh, I don't know. We're good. I got him. I got him to stop. He's gonna come right out underneath you. Holy crap. He's right there.
I see him.
You see him?
No, I can't see him.
He's gotta be right underneath you. Oh, he's swimming here now.
He's underneath the dock, I think.
Not far though. It's gonna come right underneath me now.
He's way down underneath you.
I see that now. He just turned that
Is he
way.
wrapped around something?
No. He's swimming. Fucking son of a biscuit. He's swimming. Oh, there he goes. He's coming out. He's coming out. He's coming out. See, he's down there now.
Okay. Yeah, I see him.
There's not much under them to wrap around.
Can
Now,
you
look.
get around those poles to get him out here? To get him up?
Yeah. Alright.
Now if you can start bringing them off, we'll have a chance at them.
I think I got a good hook into him. Oh,
Seems like.
he's got that pole over there. I gotta watch out for him. I got the breed though, so it should be okay. There he is.
Okay, you got him up.
He's big. I can stop the line now.
Turn this way.
Crap.
Turn back this way. Easy on him. Easy on him. Don't horse now. Don't horse.
Let him go. Don't want to get that spawn sack either. If I break that line, I don't care.
We're not worried about the spawn sack. Drifting
I just
around
don't want
out
him to
there.
take my rod in.
Just get him back up.
Oh, Christ, he's fighting now. Oh, God.
Have to reel that spawn sack in for
Yeah,
everybody.
you might want to do that so I can get him up. Oh, he's coming in now a little bit. Oh, wait.
Alright, we're just gonna. Underneath.
Alright.
Stop jiggling a rod. We're just gonna cut the hook.
There, that'll work. I don't care. I got all kinds of switch heads. Uh-oh. This shit goes apart. There, it's off. Okay.
Fight him.
He's right here.
Come back around again.
Here he is. Yes. He's pretty big. I'm not sure. That's big.
It's a big one.
Oh,
Bait came off in the net.
I know. I didn't want to give him.
We're gonna keep him in the water so we don't
kill him.
bang his head.
Oh.
Alright, get your board out.
That's a big one.
Yeah.
That's all we needed.
Alright, got your phone set up.
That's what I'm gonna do next. I know he's gonna be big enough. I've seen the other ones. He's way bigger. Oh yeah, that's definitely bigger. Yeah, the other one. I have one of those. You look right there, just pop it. That's what I'm trying. Reel it up and get out of the way.
Alright, let's turn the camera on. So
My testing's
we
on.
turn the camera this way. You can't see it. Yeah, the camera's right there. Yeah, stand your rod up. I had to cut the spawn sack off of it.
I'm okay with it.
We have spawn sacks laying everywhere.
That's everyone.
That's
People.
everyone?
That's all kinds of different people. There's people here every day.
Okay.
This one get feed this way. I got this one.
That one's on, so
This one's
I've
on.
been recording this whole time.
I turned that one on right for the net.
We'll steal some. You turn that one on from the net?
Just for the net, I turned this
Oh,
one
that
on.
one on, okay.
Yeah, as soon as I got it, I was like, oh, hot sore footy bridge. Yeah, I go on right there. Alright.
Are we ready?
I guess.
Alright, you're gonna grab it out of the net. You're gonna handle it. Here you go. Ready to grab it?
That mouth big.
That's a big fish.
Oh, wow. Easy, like, easy, easy, easy. Jesus. Oh, it's got some power.
Hold it up for the camera. Big Milwaukee Brown. Here's Ray with his big Milwaukee Brown. Alright, we're recording now.
Oh,
That is a big brown.
male.
Big male brown. Yeah, you got him excited.
I see that.
Alright, we're going to measure him here for his WIFA Master Angler fish.
He soaked everything.
Big male brown, big bull. Okay. I gotta get this camera.
Whew. Yeah, it's on already. Okay, I need to take the photos. What are we saying inch-wise? Holy crap. That's monstrous. Oh, wow.
What do we got?
Ooh, 34.
34.
Or do we, oh, look at that. That's a nice little
What do
sweet.
you got?
34 and a half? I don't know. We want to go with that, or do we want to just go with 34 and a quarter?
Whatever you want.
Let's just go with 34 and a quarter, so.
34 and a quarter?
Yeah. Ready? Did you get the photo?
Take my cup on here. Took 3 photos. Something's up, ain't gonna be good. I get a photo hanging out.
Yeah, we'll put them back in the net. Well, let's review them.
Okay. You wanna put them back in the net?
Yeah, that way we don't.
And you get the net.
Okay, ready? Just in case we gotta take more photos.
Alright, put them in the net.
He's in the
I'll
net.
put them in the water. I got
You want it?
them. I got them.
Take it off and put it in the side of the net. Hold on, see if you gonna get that out?
Yeah. Watch my foot. Get them on the hook there.
Let me. Hey, you got the net now.
Here, here's the phone.
You got the net?
You got the net.
Just wipe my hands off on something. A towel maybe? That's all slime. He slimed me. Slimer. Alright. Check mark. Alright.
All look good?
Want to see side. I mean, I'm okay with substituting a little bit with the 34 and a quarter.
Okay.
I'm just making sure all the photos look good and I don't want to have any bad ones in here. 34 1/4. Okay. Got 3 with the measurement.
Nice.
2 of me holding the
He
fish.
actually broke 34.5, didn't he?
Not really,
Not
because
really.
I had the mouth off the pump board when I did that.
That's
photo.
fine. 34 1/4, and the photos look good.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll let you see them too.
Yep.
34.25, 2 species. Brown trout. I mean, I could substitute them down 1/4 inch and it wouldn't matter, but. Alright.
Ready to do your release?
Oh, I didn't know I was going to do it.
Oh, do you want to do one?
I was like 34 and a wing here.
34 1/4 to me. We have, yeah, bump board's tight.
Okay. Do you have what?
You want to do a release video?
Let's do it.
Alright.
You just got to press the video button.
Alright, you grab the net, whoop, and you'll be getting him out of there to release him. He's going to want to go pretty quick here.
Yeah, I know.
He's been breathing good.
Oh, he's healthy. Ready?
Yeah. There you go with the release video.
Ready?
Yep, I'm recording.
He's got to take off pretty quick here. He got a nub on his back, you see that?
Yeah.
Ready, buddy? He wants to go. Just give him a second. Ready, buddy? He wants to go. Just give him a second. There you go. He's swimming. Pretty good. He's just swimming around. You gotta get some swimming. Pretty sure. Come on. What's he doing? Dying. Out of energy. There you go. He's swimming. How's he doing? Pretty good. He's just swimming around. You gotta get some swimming.
My line just started swimming.
You got some time?
Yeah.
We might not get to see him. Depending on how big he is, he knows he's hooked. Oh, he's coming out. Gotta watch him. You don't want him going towards that pole.
Underneath that fucking dock.
He's right here. Here. If he comes up, I'll be able for him. Here, I'll try and scoot him your way. I know they like to come up right here. Oh, there he is. You got his fin. Pectoral fin. The front one. Bump that way, bump that way, bump that way. Oh, you're around the... No, you're not around the post. Come here, buddy. Come here. You can come this way, Dad. This way. Oh, shit. He's going back towards you. Run. He's going to try and wrap you off in that post. You come all the way to here. He went for that post. I was like, uh-oh.
On a post, and that was it.
I saw that and I was like, oh, you come this way. Too late.
They let him have the line and then ran over there instead of keeping him tight.
Oh, yeah.
Zebra muscles cut everything.
He was trying to go back this way already.
That was, I think that was a fat one, wasn't
Fat, short one.
it? Fat short one?
He's like 26.
Yeah. There was nothing I could do. I only got like whatever this is, 6 pound test line on there.
Holy crap, this thing.
Yeah.
I broke off on 12 on that. I had one that was pulling just that hard. He grabbed it, he was like He just went for that pole, and I was like, I tried to come, the braid, look at the birds. See them on the dock? They live underneath that section right there. See the two birds? Right behind you. You're like 10 feet from one. They live underneath that little ramp thing there. Like I walked on the ramp once and they went poof, and I was like, oh. What are these? Yeah, that's why I liked them. Alright. No. Alright, spin. That's why I rocked the 50-pound braid. I learned that last time. I was like, I'm done fucking around with this. Dunk. I just tied straight to 50 pound and that was different. There's the one I caught. Yeah, I can see what you mean. That one right there. It's got the weird bump on its back, I think.
Dinner back on? Alright, go for it.
See if I can get one.
I had the camera off.
Turtle. There's a turtle right there. Shoot, I can't. Right there. There's a turtle.
Come around. Get straight on it.
He was here last time too, but this time he's hibernating. Yeah, it looks like I can get him on there. Ooh.